Chapter number 1.
Rotational Dynamics, Subject Physics, MCQ under the topic. The SI unit of moment of inertia is A. Kilogram meter per second, B. Kilogram m squared, C. Nm, D. J. Answer B. The rotational analog of force is A. Angular momentum, B. Torque, C. Angular velocity, D. Moment of inertia. Answer B. The moment of inertia of a solid disk about its central axis is A. mr squared, B. 1/2 mr squared, C. 1/3 mr squared, D. 1/4 mr squared. Answer B. Radius of gyration depends on A. Mass only, B. Shape and axis of rotation, C. Density only, D. Volume only. Answer B. If no external torque acts on a rotating body, its underscore remains constant. A. Kinetic energy, B. Angular momentum, C. Torque, D. Angular acceleration. Answer B. The rotational kinetic energy of a body is A. 1/2 mv squared, B. I omega squared, C. 1/2 I omega squared, D. mgh. Answer C. The theorem used to find the moment of inertia about an axis parallel to the center of mass axis is A. Perpendicular axis theorem, B. Parallel axis theorem, C. Work energy theorem, D. Bernoulli's theorem. Answer B. A ring and a solid sphere have the same mass and radius. Which has the greater moment of inertia about its center? A. Ring, B. Solid sphere, C. Both are equal, D. Cannot be determined. Answer A. The dimension of torque is A. mlt squared, B. ml squared t squared, C. ml squared t, D. mlt. Answer B. Angular momentum is given by A. L equals I omega, B. L equals m, C. L equals frd, L equals I alpha. Answer A.
The dimension of torque is A. m1 L1 t raised to minus 2, B. m1 L2 t raised to minus 2, C. m1 L2 t raised to minus 1, D. m1 L1 t raised to minus 1. Answer is B, that is m1 L2 t raised to minus 2. Thank you for watching.